Hey subbies, we're going to be doing some mathematics today. I'm going to be showing you how to do subtraction with regrouping. I'm going to show you two-digit subtraction with regrouping and three-digit with three-digit subtraction with regrouping. So let's get started. This is going to be the equation we're going to solve. It is 126 minus 49. This is going to be subtraction with regrouping. Now we're going to look here at the ones place. 6 minus 9, we can't do that, so we're going to have to regroup, which means we're going to borrow from here the tens and make this a 1, and since we're borrowing from this place, we're taking a 10 from here and we're going to add it to here, so instead of a 6, because we're adding 10 to it, we're going to have 16. Now, we're going to do 16 minus 9, which is 7. So we're going to put a 7 here. And we can't do this, so we're going to borrow from here. Make this a 0. And we're going to make this an 11. And we're going to make this a 7 because 11 minus 4 is 7. This is an example of a three-digit subtraction with regrouping. We're going to look here at the ones place. We can do this. 2 minus 1 is 1. We can't do 1 minus 6, so we're going to borrow from here. And we're going to regroup. This becomes a 3. This becomes an 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 51. Regrouping is very simple once you get the hang of it. I hope these two examples of regrouping have helped you with subtraction because it can be a really difficult concept to understand. Thank you so much for watching this subtraction with regrouping video. I hope it has helped you out a lot because I love being able to help others, especially when it comes to mathematics, because mathematics was a subject that, for me, I really had to have a great teacher that would explain things and show examples and not just simply explain it verbally to me. Which is why I love making YouTube videos, especially ones where I can show how to do things. For example, here, mathematics, specifically subtraction with regrouping. I hope this has helped you when it comes to some mathematical concepts, and I look forward to teaching you some more in the future. I'm going to be doing some division. I'm going to show you some algebra even, so I'm really excited to share those. I'm going to be doing some more book reviews this month. This one I'm going to be doing the rest of the Babysitter's Little Sister series and the Babysitter's Club series. I'm super excited to share both of those with you. I would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up. I'd love it if you would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing, wonderful, fantastic, fun videos that I have to share with you. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I don't want you to miss any of them. I would really love it if you would follow me on my social media. My Instagram is Comedy Creation. I love to share library hauls, book reviews, and some fantastic food photos. Follow me on Twitter. I love playing hashtag games, but what I love even more is interacting with each and every one of you incredibly inspirational individuals. And give my Facebook page a like. My Facebook page is Papa Apple. I love to share my newest YouTube videos on there. And I'm also going to be sharing some book reviews on there as well, starting with the Babysitter's Club series, which I'm super excited for. All of my social media will be linked in the description box down below. I read every comment that I get because your comments mean the world to me. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it has helped you out a lot. I can't wait to see you in the next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles, go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, subbies.